Hey guys, Annie Stacy here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but that's a story for another video. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I installed some passion twist, boho style passion twist on my hair. So this is my hair. I washed and stretched my hair the night before just to prep it for the style. And yeah, so this is the hair that I'm gonna use. So initially I planned to use just 2 packets, but then I ended up not using all, and yeah, we'll talk about that later. But this is the hair I'm gonna use. It's 24 inches, and I chose this color because actually my hair is not that black, so I don't always like to do black like color one. So that's the color I'm gonna use, and I love it. So now on to the most difficult part. I hate parting my hair. I don't know how to part my hair. It takes forever. So this is the edge control I'm gonna use. So yeah, I'm gonna use this edge control just to smooth the roots of my hair. And after 20 years, I finally parted my hair, and it's gonna take a while. So like you see, the lines are still not perfect. I don't know how some people do it, but it's just hard for me to part my hair even after I've stretched it. I don't know why. I need some techniques. But yeah, I just put my hair in sections, and then I just took out the hair from the package just to show you guys how it looks. There are about 30 pieces of the hair in a packet. So yeah, that's it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and further part my hair into smaller sections. So yeah, I wanted to do smaller sections, but then like I said, parting my hair was stressful. I just went ahead and just parted them in large sizes. And yeah, I'm gonna just tie my hair in an updo, so the size doesn't matter. But yeah, those are the sizes I got, and the hardest part is over, and I'm gonna proceed to install the crochet. So it's a crochet style hair. So yeah, I'm still showing you the pattern I did. So moving on, I'm just gonna install the crochet. I've done some, and I'm just showing you this one for demonstration. So you want to pass the hair underneath the hair and then through the loop. And yeah, I don't even know if that makes sense, but I hope you can see what I'm showing you. And then I just twist my hair around the crochet hair, and that's it. This is like the easiest style for me, even though it wasn't easy because the pattern took forever. So I actually spent about, I don't know, maybe 10 hours on this hair. But then I was moving up and down, and just out of those 10 hours, I think about 9 of them were used to part my hair. That's funny, but it's true. Like parting the hair, I don't know who else has this issue. If you do, leave a comment down below. Let me know, because I suck when it comes to parting my hair. First of all, I have issues with my eyes. I should have worn my glasses maybe, but I don't know if that would have helped though. But yeah. So this is me installing my passion twist. Yeah, so far so good, and I'm almost done, and I love it. So I just went ahead and did the same thing. And yeah, so if you guys have some other techniques, you can share in the comment section below. And like I said, I just decided to do large parts so that I can wear my hair up. So this is me trying it out. So I just wanted to wear the whole style in an updo, and yeah, so the size didn't matter. But yeah, this is me the next day, styling it a little bit different. But yeah, I love it. Just lay down my edges, and this is the style I'm wearing for the day, and I love the hair. I tried my best, and this is what I'll be rocking for the next 2 weeks or so. So yeah, I mean, I love this hair, and I'm gonna repeat this hair again. But maybe I'm gonna pay somebody to part my hair for me and then install, or just ask somebody to help me part the hair. Thank you for watching. Bye.